So Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the inverse trigonometric derivatives of the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Next we will move to the derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. Derivatives of the exponential and logarithmic function. So how to solve the first what is the meaning of the exponential function? Exponential functions is the first one. So what is the definition? Already. So the exponential function with the positive base b greater than 0, positive base b greater than 0 is the function y is equals to f of x is equals to b power x. Okay. If the function is like this, means this type of function is known as the exponential function b power x. Okay. Here positive base is b greater than 1. Okay. So what is the domain of this exponential function? Domain is set of real number, and range of the exponential function is set of positive real number, Okay. So if you observe the exponential function, see, this is one of the example of the exponential. So observe this graph. So y is equals to 10 power x. Here what is the b value? B is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 power x. So b is value. So it is always, what is the domain of this one? Domain of the exponential function generally R set of real numbers, and the range of the exponential function is R set of positive real numbers. Okay, next. So if you observe this function, observe madi. So 0, 1 it passes to 0, 1. So 0, 1 the exponential function 0, 1. That's why b greater than 1. Okay. So it passes through the 0, 1. And another one, it is always increasing function. It is always increasing function. Left to right, left to observe madi. Left in the right, the function is increasing. Not the function is increasing function. Okay. So from this graph, we can clear that these are the points we have to know: domain, range, increasing function, and it follows to the 0, 1. Okay. If you substitute x value, large negative value means minus 1 lakh, minus 2 lakh, minus 2 crore, like that. If you take the large negative value, means what will become? If you take 2 power minus x in 100, 1 by 2 4x outside, 1 divided by the value large it will close to 0. 0 will close agutte. Artha idea concept. So therefore it is close to 0. So I have to know this concept also. Okay, my dear students. So this is about the exponential. And next, so if you 10, 8, 9, 10 like that, if you take one e is a value between 2 and 3. 2 to 3 to value. So if you write like this, y is equal to e power x. This is called natural exponential function. So therefore y is equal to e power x. What is the e value? E value is between 2 to 3. 2 to 3 ಗೂ ಮಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial e is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial. Okay, and next 1 by 2 factorial and so on. So this is the value of e value. So where e is equals to, this value is between 2 to 3. 2 to 3 ಮಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. If you write like this, the function y is equals to e power x is known as the natural exponential function. What is that? Natural exponential function. Natural exponential function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So we have to know these two. Natural exponential function. So like that, b power x. B may be any number. 10, 5, 6, 7, like that. B greater than 1. Okay. Next, related problems, differentiation. Okay. Next we will see the logarithmic function. Okay. So my dear students, let us discuss logarithmic function. Okay. Logarithmic function. What is the definition of logarithmic function? Let b greater than 1. Already taken now. B greater than 1. Be a real number. Then we say the logarithm a to base b is x is. What is the meaning of that one? Means b power x is equals to a. B power x is equals to a. So b power x b to the power of x n equals to a, then x can be written as x is equal to logarithm of a base b anta barutade. This is the definition of the logarithm. Okay, so let us take a different examples ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. 10 square is equal to what? 100. So this value. Okay, so b is 10, x is 2 and a is equal to 100. So therefore we can write it as log 100 base 10 is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. How it will be means 100 can be written as 10 square ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ log 10 base 10 is equal to 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like that you can simplify. So this is the procedure of the logarithmic function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ? So like that you can take the different problems also. Okay, this is the definition. What is the definition? At the time b power x is equals to a, then x is equals to log of a base b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, next. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if base is e, exponential e value. So if base value is e means then you can tell that that is called natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. So therefore y equals to log x base e. So this is the curve of the logarithmic function. So this is the 1, 0. So this is e power x already told now. So at this point it is the image of the e power x function. Logarithmic function is the image of the logarithmic function on the y equals to x line. Okay, that's it. Okay, if not understood means later we can see this one. Okay, it is a broad concept. In IJE KC level you have to tell later. Okay, in CET class in that CET class I will tell thoroughly. Okay, next. What we can decide from this graph? So this is the logarithmic function now. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. What is the domain of this one? Domain is r plus. Domain ಯಾವುದು x axis equal to x axis only positive real numbers ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So therefore domain is what? Logarithmic function. What is the domain? R plus set of positive real numbers. What is the range? Range is the set of real numbers. Set of the real numbers. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay. So therefore set of positive real numbers domain, set of real numbers is the range. Okay. So it is also increasing function. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ left to right move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Increasing function. So it is also increasing function ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay ನಾ? So next. And some properties are there for the logarithmic functions. So let us see the properties. This is the curve and some information regarding the logarithmic function. Okay, some are there. So we'll discuss in case of JE means teach ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ at that time I will get all the details. Okay, already told in thoroughly I will get. Okay, next we will move to the properties. What are the properties of the logarithms? So these are some properties of the logarithms. Okay, what are these? Log AB multiplication is there. Log AB base E. Any you can take, any base you can take. Log AB base E and down line. Log AB. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. Log XY then log X plus log Y. Like that we have to separate. Okay. Multiplication is separate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, next. Log A by B divided by log A by B base E. Log A minus log B base E. Log A base E minus log B base E. Or second law. Here divided by is there, you have to take the minus. Okay, next. So third one. Log A to the power of M base E. If power is there, if the power is there, it will become the coefficient of the log. So coefficient of the m. So m into log A base. So m will becomes what? Power. M will becomes coefficient side ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next. Log A power m base B power n. Log A power m base b power n is equals to, here one power is there now, here another power is there, two powers are there now. So here two powers first power had right first divided by base power intala had right m by n log a base b, like that we have to. Okay, one example I will tell for this somewhat difficult number. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ log okay 3 square base 4 square ಅಂತ ಇದೆ 4 square. What is answer for this one means ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ so write up 2 by 2 log 3 base 4 log 3 base 4. Okay na, so 2 by 2 cancel ಆದರೆ log 3 base 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in further when you are doing problems no, these will come. These are very very important. So your mathematics career, physics career ella chemistry odu kuda bartayilla. Okay, chemistry, biology don't know. So we are using these formulas in every field. Okay, so my dear students, very very important. These are the properties of the logarithm. Some property some other day, so later we can discuss. Okay, next we will move to the differentiation, derivatives of the exponential functions and logarithm function. How it will, two formulas are there. By using the two formulas you can easily see this. Okay na, these are two very very important formulas already told, okay, in last videos. Okay, formula ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ in that video already told. So another time I am telling. Why? Because we are doing this type of problems now, differentiation of derivatives of logarithmic function and exponential function e power x. d by dx of e power x is what? d by dx of e power x is what? e power x. d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. d by dx of log x is equal to what? 1 by x. So these are the two formulas. Okay, but some other problems will come. Chain rule barte hege ಏನು d by dx of e power 2x by n equal. First suppose d by dx of e power 2x. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? E power 2x into d by dx of 2x. E power 2x into d by dx of 2x. So what is the answer? E power 2x into d by dx of 2x 2. So 2 into e power 2x. Now tell me d by dx of e power 3x, 3 into e power 3x. What is the d by dx of e power 4x? e 4 into e power 4x. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ e power 8x. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ d by dx of e power 8x. 8 into d by dx of 8x. ಸರಿ 8 into e power 8x. So I have to learn like this. So next different problems will come. One by one I will tell like this. So minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, minus. So first of all minus 4x by n ಕೊಡಿ, minus 4x. See d by dx of minus 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? e power minus 4x d by dx of minus 4x ಮಾಡಿ, minus 4x ಮಾಡಿ d by dx of minus 4x. d by dx of minus 4x is what? minus 4 into d by dx of minus e power minus 4x into minus 4. ಆ ಥರ ಗುರ್ತಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿವಾಗ minus 4 into e power minus 4x. Now we tell me e power minus 2x into d by dx of e power minus 2x. ಈ minus 2 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 into e power minus 2x. You have to write another type. minus 2 into e power minus 2x. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? Very easy problem. Okay, minus you have to write. Okay, next we will move to the exercise problem. Next see exercise 5.4. Okay, differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate mark. You have to find the derivative. Okay, process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. Okay, so first question, see d by dx of e power x divided by sin x. Okay na, first you have to understand which formula you have to use here. So divided by formula, u by v formula is there now. What is that u by v formula? I will write see d by dx of u by v f of x divided by g of x ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಿ ಇದರ ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ಯು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ವಿ ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ divided by denominator v square. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ therefore sin x into d by dx of e power x minus, ಓಕೆ, sin x d by dx ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ಎರಡು ಉಲ್ಟಾ, e power x ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, sin x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. So e power x into d by dx of sin x all divided by sin square x, all divided by sin square x. Okay na? All divided by sin square x. So this is the formula I have to use. So keep it in your mind. This formula, keep it in your mind. Try to simplify. That's it. Very easy problem. Sin x into d by dx of e power x is what? E power x minus e power x minus e power x say e power x into d by dx of sin x. You know familiar formula is there. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. One formula is there now. So d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x divided by sin square x. Common the e power x is there. No common. Make the common. E power x into, see, e power x common now. E power x sin x minus cos x. That's it. Sin x minus cos divided by sin square x. Okay. So this is the answer. So like that you have to simplify. First that is multiplication. u by v na first you have to understand plus minus. Next we have to apply the formula. Okay. Next we will move to the second question. d by dx of e power sin inverse x. Okay. It is a chain rule. Observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is a chain rule. Okay. Now it is a chain rule. So d by dx of e power sin inverse x. It looks like e power x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Treat it as x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? How it look like e power x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. d by dx of e power x is what? d by dx of e power x is e power x already told us. So therefore same procedure you have to follow. E power sin inverse x. Chain rule ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Again you have to differentiate now. That's why sin inverse ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So d by dx of sin inverse x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಪವರ್ ಏನಾರ ಇರಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ e power same and differentiate the power ಮತ್ತೆ e power cos inverse x ಇದ್ರೆ e power cos inverse x into d by dx of cos inverse x. Okay. e power 8x into d by dx of 8x. e power sin x into d by dx of sin x, like that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So these are the different problems. You have to understand. Main important understanding is very important. So e power sin inverse x into d by dx of sin inverse x. You already know formula. In previous chapter previous exercise already told. Very important. d by dx of sin inverse x is what? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the very easy problem. Ish easy problem. So you will know it. So like that we have to formulas. If you know formulas well means very easy job. Okay. Next we move to the next question. So d by dx of next question number 3. D by dx of e power x cube. Now tell me x plus what is x cube ಇದೆ. Treat it as x cubed as x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. x cube ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಾ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now what is the d by dx of e power x? e power x. So therefore e power x square x cube into tell me d by dx of x cube. That's it. D by dx of x cube. Okay. So d by dx of e power x cube is equal to e power x cube into d by dx of x cube. T by dx of e power x square into d by dx of x square. D by dx of e power x to the power of 10. E power x to the power of 10 into d by dx of x to the power of 10. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? e power ಏನನ್ನ ಬರಲಿ ಅದೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 4 to the power ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ e power x cube into okay d by dx of x cube is 3x square. 3x very easy problem. 3 okay 3x. So this is the 3x square is the okay. So e power x cube into 3. Okay. So my dear, this is the answer. Constant first one is so 3x square into e power x cube. My dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment in this below video. Otherwise, through WhatsApp you can comment. Thank you, my dear friends.